Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Metatrader 4 and 5 on your iOS devices, guys, after it's been banned from like the App Store or just in general, it's been banned and most people think you cannot get it. But I'm going to show you guys a method that you can still use to download it and use Metatrader, guys, even though it's been banned in 2022 and 2023. So follow along in this video, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to get the app once again, even though it's been banned and most people think you still can't get it. But we've found a method and it works. So really quick though, before we get started, make sure you guys leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and then I'm going to go ahead now and explain to you guys exactly how to go ahead and get this Metatrader 4 app or 5, so you guys will be able to start using it even if it's been banned. So as you can see, I do have it. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip over the camera and just show you guys really quick that it does work, and then I'll show you guys how to actually download it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am on my phone right here, my iPhone, and we have the Metatrader 4 app right here, and this also does work for Metatrader 5, but yeah, they're basically, as you guys can see, I'm just going to open it really quick, and when it opens up, it's going to say like Metatrader 4/5 ban bypass, and that's the developer successfully bypassed App Store ban, enjoy using the app. So we just tap OK, and as you guys can see, we are in the app and we can go ahead and use it and even trade and everything like that, like buy stuff and everything. All the features are working. We got the chart, the trade history, settings, everything like that. But yeah, guys, it does work. So what I'm gonna do now is just hop on my PC and show you guys how to actually download the app. It's pretty simple. So I'm gonna go ahead now and flip over back to my face with the camera, and then I'm gonna go on the screen recording. All right, guys, so now I'm on my computer and now I have my face cam here in the bottom right, so you guys could follow along with me. I don't know why this camera keeps like doing this focus thing. It's really annoying. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead now and show you guys how to download the app. So it's pretty simple. I have the instructions like laid out on my computer here, but basically you guys will be doing this on your phone. I just have it on my computer because it's easier for me to explain. But anyways, what you guys are going to do, right? So the first step, if you're on iOS, we're going to have to just change some settings really quick on our phone. If you're on Android, you don't have to do this step. It's only for iOS. But anyways, guys, first step on iOS, guys, you're going to open up your settings app, okay? So open up your settings app on your iOS device, like this, your settings. And you're going to find where it says General in these settings, and then turn on background app refresh. So to go ahead and find General, it's going to be like right here. So you're going to find it. You're just going to scroll down a bit. And then in General, you should see a menu like this, and you're going to find background app refresh, okay, guys? So I have it boxed in red here so you guys know which one to select. So background app refresh is the one you want to select. And then once you do that, you guys are going to want to scroll down a bit, and in background app refresh, it's going to open a menu like this. And you're going to just make sure you guys have this turned on, this background app refresh turned on to either Wi-Fi, like this one, or Wi-Fi insider data, right, like this one right here. So either one is fine, but just make sure you guys have it turned on to either of them. It can't be off, otherwise like the download will not work, guys. So make sure you have it turned on to one of those, and that's perfect. And then once you guys do that, we're gonna go down and now to step 2. So in general still, we're gonna exit out of the background app refresh, and now we're going to open up the about option. And basically in about, it's gonna show you your iOS version, and you just wanna make sure that you're above iOS 11, guys. So in order for this download to work, you have to be above iOS 11. As you guys can see, I'm on iOS 15, or actually, let me check really quick. I'm on iOS 14.6 on my iPhone right here. So that's fine though, as long as you're above iOS 11, you will be able to download the app without any issues. If you're below iOS 11, you will just have to upgrade your phone really quick. So yeah, guys. But once you do that, we're gonna move on to step 3. So exit from general, and now open battery in the settings, and make sure low power mode is off, and that you have at least 10% battery on your phone. So as you guys can see, you're gonna exit from general, and now you're gonna open up battery in settings, and make sure low power mode is off, and then you have at least 10% battery. So you're gonna find battery on the settings here, like this. It's gonna be below general, and then you're gonna open it, and you're gonna see battery percentage, and you're just gonna wanna make sure that you have it on. You're gonna wanna make sure that you have low power mode off, like this. So as you guys can see, it's disabled, and you're going to want to make sure you have at least 10% battery on your iPhone, guys. So yeah, perfect. As you guys can see, it will show your battery percentage in the top. You have to be above 10%. And then yeah, have it like this. Low power mode is off, as you can see. Okay, so step 4, guys. We're almost done, okay? So step 4, exit out of battery settings, and now scroll down and find Safari settings. Then in Safari settings, scroll all the way down to advanced and make sure that JavaScript is enabled. So you guys are gonna scroll down and you're gonna see this option that says Safari like this. As you guys can see, I circled it so you know which one to select. And then you're gonna open it, okay? In Safari, scroll down, find advanced and open it. So you're gonna see at the bottom of Safari settings, you're gonna see this option right here that says advanced. You guys are gonna open this up. So click on it. In advanced, just make sure JavaScript is turned on like this. So you see this option right here, you guys are just gonna wanna turn this on like this. And once you guys do that, it's perfect. And then you're gonna exit out of Safari settings, guys. And now go to App Store settings and find offload unused apps and make sure it's turned off. So you're gonna see like this App Store option right here. And you're gonna go ahead and open it up in App Store settings, scroll down and find offload unused apps and make sure it's turned off. So you're gonna see this option right here, guys, offload unused apps, okay? Go ahead and make sure it's off. If it's on, it can mess up the download, guys, so make sure you have it off. And then once you do that, guys, now we have finished all the settings that we have to change on our device. And now we can go ahead and open up our Safari browser on iOS or Google Chrome on Android, or, you know, like, because Android doesn't have Safari unlike iOS. But yeah, you're going to open up your browser on your phone now, guys, and go to this website called applucid.com. So to spell that, it's applucid.com. And basically, this is just a tweaked app store, and we're going to be able to go ahead and get the tweaked app or the Metatrader app from there. So as you can see, I'm going to the site right now on my iPhone, applucid.com. I typed it in, and there we have it, guys. Once it loads, click the button that says proceed. So you're going to see this page right here. It will say like #1 tweaked app store for iOS and Android, and you're going to see like this proceed button. All you guys will do is just tap this proceed button, like right there, tap it. And once you click the proceed button, it will start to load the tweak store. So we just wait about 30 seconds or so. So as you guys can see, I clicked it and it's loading exactly like the image. And then once it loads, guys, the tweaked store will pop up. So it will look something like this. And now you will see a bunch of apps. Just search for the app you're trying to install and tap the install button. So we're going to go ahead and like search for Metatrader. So you will spell it like META. And once you type that in, it will pop up and you'll be able to tap install on it. And it will start installing the app, guys. So once you tap the install for the app of your choice, it will start to load. Wait a bit to finish the install process. It will look something like this, but it will be like Metatrader, not Snapchat. And then once it finishes loading, you'll see this pop up on iOS. Tap allow. So you'll see something like this pop up on iOS. And if you're on Android, it will show a different screen with instructions on it. Just follow the instructions on Android and you'll be good. But yeah, guys, on iOS, you're going to see something like this pop up, like this prompt right here. You're going to tap allow, and it's just basically going to allow you to download the profile of the app, of the Metatrader app. Okay, so on iOS devices, after you tap allow, exit out of Safari and open settings. Then in settings, you should see profile downloaded in the top. So after you guys do that, like you click allow on your iOS device, you're going to open up settings on your iOS device, and you should see an option that says profile downloaded at the top. And once you guys do that, once you guys see that, you'll be good to go. But if you do not see it there, go to general settings, scroll down and open VPN and device management, and you'll see it says downloaded profile. So after you click on the downloaded profile, it will open a pop-up like this. Go ahead and tap on install. So you'll see something like this. It will say like Metatrader 4 or 5, and then tap install, like in the top right. And then after you tap install, it will show this. Just tap next. Tap this next button. After you tap next, it will show this. Tap install. And then you're done, guys, and your app will appear on your phone after you do that. And when you do open up the app, there might be a last step, and you will have to do to configure the app. And if there will be instructions if you guys get confused. But thanks, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And enjoy Metatrader 4, guys. Peace out, everybody.